issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Montgomery County in central Maryland, north central Fairfax County in northern Virginia until 8:15 p.m. At 7:42 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Great Falls, or near Reston, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Rockville, Bethesda, Gaithersburg, Reston, Olney, Herndon, Aspen Hill, Potomac, North Bethesda, Oakton, Montgomery Village, North Potomac, Tysons Corner, Redland, Wolf Trap, Great Falls, North Kensington, Rossmere, Wheaton Glenmont, and Wheaton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The severe thunderstorm warning for